After 60, sleep becomes a different kind of companion. It no longer arrives easily. It hesitates. It dances at a distance. You lie awake in the silence of your room. The fan hums, the clock ticks, and your mind wanders. Thoughts of the past, worries about the body, questions about tomorrow. You turn to medications, to herbal teas, to soft music and meditation apps. But the sleep still hasn't come. What if the answer is simpler? What if it has been on your plate all along? Modern medical research is finally aligning with ancient wisdom. Certain foods, common, everyday items, have been proven to help improve sleep quality naturally, especially in older adults. Today we will explore 5 of them, not as a quick fix, but as part of a deeper conversation about your health, your habits, and your healing. Let us begin. Tart cherry juice is rich in melatonin, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Unlike synthetic melatonin pills, the melatonin in cherries is natural and gentle, ideal for seniors whose bodies may no longer produce melatonin efficiently. A study published in the American Journal of Therapeutics found that adults over 50 who consumed 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily slept longer and had better sleep efficiency overall. Why does it work? Because tart cherries also contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and support brain health. Drink half a cup of tart cherry juice in the morning and another 1 hour before bedtime. Choose 100% pure, unsweetened juice. Dr. Frank Greenway said, "Cherries do not knock you out. They retrain your brain to remember what rest feels like." Almonds are one of the richest sources of magnesium, a mineral that calms the nervous system and relaxes the muscles. A 2012 study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found magnesium improved sleep time, quality, and reduced morning awakenings in older adults. Magnesium lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and binds to calming neurotransmitters like GABA. Eat a small handful of plain roasted almonds in the evening. Pair it with a banana or a few sips of warm milk. Dr. Emily Deans once said, "Magnesium is the great balancer. When the mind is restless, magnesium whispers peace." Bananas offer potassium, magnesium, and tryptophan. These nutrients work together to help you fall asleep easier. According to the Sleep Foundation, tryptophan helps produce serotonin and melatonin, while potassium prevents muscle cramps and nighttime disruptions. Eat 1 ripe banana 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Add almond butter for a deeper calming effect. Sometimes the most familiar fruit brings the deepest peace. The image of warm milk before bed is more than folklore. It is backed by science. Milk contains calcium and tryptophan. Together, they support the production of melatonin. A 2020 review in Nutrients confirmed dairy improves sleep quality when used consistently in the evening routine. And beyond nutrients, there is the ritual itself. Sipping warm milk slowly in a quiet room signals your brain that it is time to let go. Warm 1 cup, not boiling, just enough to feel comforting. Add a dash of cinnamon or turmeric if you like. Drink in a quiet, dimly lit space. Let it be your evening ritual, your permission to slow down. Kiwi is small but mighty. A study from Taipei Medical University found eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed helped people fall asleep faster and sleep longer through the night. Kiwis are rich in serotonin, vitamin C, and antioxidants, all essential for regulating your sleep cycle. Eat 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before bed. Eat with the skin for more fiber or peel if needed. Its bright green flesh holds more than flavor. It holds peace, balance, and renewal. So my friend, the path to sleep is not always silence. Sometimes it begins with nourishment. Your body is not broken. It may simply need rhythm again. It may need nutrients it once had plenty of. Try one of these foods tonight. Let your evening meal be your medicine. Because sleep is not a luxury. It is your restoration, your strength, your emotional peace. Dr. Matthew Walker said, "Sleep is the single most effective thing we can do to reset our brain and body health each day." You deserve to rest, fully, deeply, and peacefully. Subscribe for more gentle reminders that your health still matters. Comment below, which food will you try tonight? Until next time, rest well, live fully, and wake up with strength.